Today we're going to cover some big news for TON as well as a few altcoins on the network. So if you haven't heard, TON was recently listed on Binance. It was announced on their X account. Binance will list TON with the seed tag applied. So this is huge. This was a long time in the making. TON was the only top 10 coin not listed on Binance. So now we have this helping increase user awareness and help increase adoption and more TVL flowing over to the network. So this is very bullish, and I expect we'll see a lot more attention on TON over the next few weeks. Now, TON was also at the Asia Blockchain Summit. So you can see here the president of the TON Foundation, Steve Yun, was here at ABS Summit 2024. So they're still continuing to build, still continuing to increase adoption of the network. And this is very bullish to see that they are staying at the forefront of innovation. Now, looking at the chart for TON on the daily, we can see here it had a very, very bullish chart. You can see on the daily that we did bounce nicely off the support of 483. The RSI was oversold, so we've had a nice bounce, and it's crossing over this RSI resistance. So very good charting for TON right now. Now, what I'm watching is this 100-day EMA and this 50-day EMA. So these are near-term resistance. And then finally, that big resistance near $7. But I do believe that TON will continue higher. Looking at the weekly chart here, this is one thing I'm also keeping in mind is this signal line. So you can see here, whenever it's went below the signal line, it's acted as resistance multiple times. It crossed over it, it acted as support, and then it crossed back below it. So expect once we get backed up to this signal line, it may act as resistance again, but if we do cross over it, then it'll be extremely bullish, and I believe we'll break right through all-time highs into double digits. So watching this very, very closely. Again, watching that $7 level as the next big resistance. Next, let's look at some altcoins. So everyone knows I've been bullish on TCAT. They're player pump player coin. They started the movement on the TON blockchain, and they're helping each other out. Very strong community, continues to grow for the number of holders. It's near 5,000 now. So right now you can see it's breaking through this resistance. It did have a descending wedge on the daily, broke out, very bullish pattern. And this little 8-cent level here, 0.008, got bought up extremely quickly. So now I'm just waiting for this resistance to break near this 1.4 cent level. And then next, looking at this resistance of 2.1 cents. So the RSI is still near that 50 level. Very, very bullish, a lot of room to run. So keep an eye on TCAT. Also, you have TSE, TON Season. So this is from same team from TCAT. Tyrell is actually the developer of TON Season, so he works with the TCAT team. And you can see here that we had a nice bounce once TON was listed on Binance. So again, more exposure for the network and altcoins on the network. So now with TON Season, I'm looking at the next big resistance at 0016, followed by 0025. So still extremely low market cap at 1.4 million. So expect this one to continue higher, especially as TCAT rises as well. And then finally, you have Redo. So Redo is seen as one of the main coins on TON. We can see here at the 30-cent level, it did bounce nicely. The RSI was oversold. So right now I'm looking at this resistance. If it can break above this 44-cent level and close above it on the daily, then I'll be looking at this 69-cent level, 86 level, and $1 level. So keep an eye on that. But as you can see, a lot of attention on the TON blockchain now. Now that you have that Binance exposure, expect more and more people to buy TON, bridge over to the network, and then buy altcoins with it. So I can only see it as being a positive, and as TON continues to gain adoption, again, it's only a matter of time before Coinbase jumps on board too, and we see even more exposure. So guys, don't sleep on TON. A lot more people are going to start talking about it. Just give it time. But with that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all my subscribers. Until next time, thanks for watching.